Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be making a stock analysis of Monday.com. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And of course, remember this isn't financial advice, this is purely for entertainment and educational purposes. Well, the reason for this analysis today is because, of course, as you can see, they fell by quite hard. They fell by 30%, and the reason they have fallen, if you don't know, that is because Needham has reduced their price target from 400 to 250 bucks, which of course is quite unfortunate. And the reason I did that is because today's we had earnings, which was amazingly positive. They reduced their guidance just a smidge, which is something Needham really didn't like, which is the reason. But I don't think it is a great enough reason to almost halve your price target, so I haven't been able to find any other reasons. But overall, it is quite insane how much they have reduced it. Now, despite this huge fall today, it really hasn't been looking great recently. As you can see, it did trend downwards for quite a bit. As you can see from this peak back here in 13th of June, as you can see, oil has been quite poor for the past month or so. We even had this death cross right here on the 15th of July. If you know what death cross is, that means the long-term average price is higher than the current price, which of course is quite poor, and today just didn't help at all. Now, if you don't know what Monday.com is, it is a package software company, as I'm going to show you right now. As you can see, this is everything you can do with Monday.com. You have projects, task management, marketing, software, CRM, designs, and so on and so forth. So overall, it is quite nice, and they have huge partnerships as well. They have with Holt, the Coca-Cola, Lionsgate, so on and so forth. Overall, it is a great platform and my personal favorite platform for SAS or software. Now, if you go back to the stock, let me just make each candle 4 hours instead of 1 hour. As you can see, we have seen some huge price drops before. As you can see, it was first publicly traded at 155 bucks down here, and quite shortly we were trading quite high up at almost 450, and then we fell down again. So overall, we have seen a spike up and down quite a lot, but then again, the beta in this is quite huge at 2.14, meaning it is twice as volatile as the average index. Now, despite that, they have most often, actually every single earnings we can see here, that has been positive, which is of course great to see. And as you can see down here in the financials as well, I'm just going to show you right now, the gross profit is still growing year over year, which is something we love to see. Not only is the revenue up here growing, which is something we need, but the gross profit itself is also increasing. And as you can see down here as well, the net income has been, of course, negative in some years, but overall their revenue is increasing more and more, and so is their profit, and the margins are also increasing with it. So, of course, this is lovely to see. So, this is also a reason I personally think that Monday.com currently is way too cheap, and I do think it is still going to be a great company to invest in the long run. Now, the seasonals on this stock, as you can see down here, the past 5 years it has been on the stock exchange. It is quite nice here, up by 78%, up by 57%, 32%, and this year up by 7.5% almost. But we're up by 20% until this point. So of course, that is unfortunate. And then we have this one poor year back in 2022, but overall, 2022 was quite a poor year for basically every single stock. Now, if we go up again to see how they make their money, let me just go to revenue. As you can see, it is their work operating system, which is the one I showed you earlier. Now, they are in quite many countries, as you can see, United States, EMA, rest of the world, and the United Kingdom. So overall, of course, they're only going to make money from the work operating system so far, but the fact that they're in so many countries in the world is, of course, something that we'd love to see. And their niche is about companies at about 50 to 500 people who don't have their own tailor-made software solutions, but they have some huge clients like Zippo Lighter, for example, is also a customer with them. Now, one thing I don't like about them is how many employees they have. As you can see down here, they have quite a lot of employees, and I would like to see them trimming that down because I think it would optimize them quite a bit. But then again, of course, I am not employed there. Now, the estimated price targets for the analysts are quite amazing. This one up here is by far Needham, so this is going to need to be edited in the future, but of course, TradingView hasn't had a chance to reiterate their software yet. But overall, we still have 18 strong buy, and we have one strong buy moving to buy because Needham has reduced it from a strong buy to a buy, and we also have one hold. But overall, as you can see, it is amazing, and overall, these are just by far great. So even if we lose this, still the average is going to be just about 300 bucks at least, I think. So overall, just a lovely company to invest in, and it wouldn't surprise me if it hit this, not within 1 year now, because it needs to climb a bit too far, but if it ended this year in 250, it wouldn't surprise me at all. Now the EPS as well is just increasing more and more, which is hard to see, as well as the annual revenue. Now the technical for this is quite poor, as you can imagine. For the day, it's a strong sell, and for the month as well, it is a strong sell. And that's just not just because today, but also because, as you can see here, it has been trading down for a while. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to leave the companies from to analyze in the comment section below.